Good morning, LC people. Well, I didn't post yesterday about bikes. There was a 350 LC stood here, red and white one. Gave that a service, put a gear mod on it. That was done. And the 250 that was on this bench, took it for a test ride and it was fine. So that's show waiting for paintwork. So then I went out on my bike yesterday. Okay, so when I come back from a bike ride, I brought this 350 LC in. It's a German import. The engine's got to be pulled, stripped, crank, rebore, frame powder coated, the works. That's on hold just for now. As you probably know, I've done these wheels last week. Ready for Eddie Pfeiffer's 31k. Now the paintwork's still away. A lot of stuff's here. Box of powder coated stuff has arrived. The engine's lurking over the back. It's been waiting here patiently for a few weeks. That's all done. Rebore, crank, the works. So, come back from the powder coaters now. Let the fun begin. I've unwrapped the frame. Very, very happy about the frame. It looks absolutely beautiful. A lovely gloss finish on that. It's just going to look stunning. So, I'm still waiting for the centre stand. For some reason, he hasn't done it. He's forgot it, so I've got to go and fetch that later. So I'm going to put this ropey one on now, which is what I first do. Centre stand on it, front yoke snip, front forks, front wheel, up on the stand, then assemble the back end. I've got my various taps out because no doubt I'll have to clean out all the threads on the frame. Yeah, once the front end's in it, I've got another powder coated swing arm in there. So the one that was originally off the bike, I've got to strip off all the assembly for the shock absorber mechanism. I've got a spring powder coated, so I've got to go through the spring. I want to get the rolling chassis up and running today. My mate Steve should be here any time now to help me. That's where I'm at. That's what I'm about today. I've got to crack on and get Eddie's bike on a set of wheels. It'd be lovely if I could get the motor in as well, but you know what I'm like. I try and run before I can crawl sometimes. We'll see where the day goes. Anyway, folks, I will keep you posted and updated about it. Thanks for watching. Dilly dilly.